Hello, I'm Sunny. Welcome to our Pinyin series. Today we're talking about the syllable dividing mark. This one. So just now, last video we're talking about if a syllable begins with I, U, Ü. So now this video we're talking about a syllable begin with A, O, E. So if a syllable begin with A, O, E and follow other syllable. So to avoid confusion, we will add this syllable dividing mark to help you to not make any mistake. So for example, let's say this one. 保安. So an begin with A, so we add this one when you write. And this one, 偶尔, 偶尔. 尔 start with so we add this one. So this help you when you see a pinyin or a syllable, you can directly read it without thinking, am I right? Or do I have another spell way? Okay, this is all about the syllable dividing mark. Did you got it? If you like today's video, please like and share to your friends. Thanks for watching. See you next time. 再见。